Postal versus Regus 2025. Which virtual office is better? Virtual offices are essential for modern businesses, but which is better in 2025, Postal or Regus? Let's compare. Postal focuses on digital mailbox services and mail forwarding. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's only about receiving mail, but Postal provides a real street address, package handling, and scanning services. You can view mail online and decide whether to forward, shred, or pick it up. It's ideal for startups, freelancers, and remote businesses. Regus, on the other hand, is more comprehensive. Beyond mail services, it offers parking spaces, meeting rooms, and professional addresses. You won't believe what happens next. Regus also provides networking opportunities and flexible office rentals, making it perfect for growing teams that need occasional physical space. Pricing differs. Postal is generally more affordable, with plans based on address, locations, and number of users. Regus is pricier, reflecting the added office and workspace services. The decision comes down to your business needs. If you primarily need a professional mailing address and digital management, Postal is cost-effective and reliable. If you want full virtual office capabilities with physical workspace access and professional amenities, Regus is the better choice. The surprising truth is that the best virtual office isn't about luxury, it's about matching the service to your workflow. Both options excel in different areas, so pick the one that aligns with your business model and growth plans.